Down. Jackson, I think somebody came. I think he might have. Let's come on. Look. Here, let me pick you up so you can hurry up. Come here. Oh my goodness. Look.
Wow. This is a princess. I've never seen.
Wow.
It is Jessie.
Oh my goodness.
And it's Dr. Princess.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Let me see you. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Look at Mommy. Jackson, look at Mommy and say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right. Wow, it has a cap and everything.
And this.
Can you put it on your head and show me how you look like a surgeon?
I don't want to.
No? Okay.
I'll
Do you want to open some presents?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll open the
Why don't you open the present on top first?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
What's this, Dad?
Wow. Look at the Sesame Street. Hey, Santa Claus bought it for you. Look, you did a good boy, Mommy.
Wow, what are those?
Ooh.
And one that says it's guy. One that says it's guy.
Oh, look at who's next to you, Jackson.
He likes to look. Is he watching?
Logan.
He's not going to take your stuff. Chill. Say Merry Christmas, Logan.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Can you give Logan a Christmas hug?
Aw, that's nice.
If you open my present, please.
Well, there's a lot